sweet guys. And here is Obi, and this is Miss Fritter, and this is Dr. Damage. And look at the die-cast, Miss Fritter.
Can you show them what your what are they called, chomp and chase guys do?
Oh, yeah. I'm going to open them for a second.
Okay, pull RV off. Now show him. Show him what he does. Now what does Miss Fritter do? Now how about Dr. Damage? Awesome. And does the die-cast guy do anything, or he just drives?
He just drives.
He's pretty awesome. Now show Miss Fritter and show what's really cool about her stop sign. What's on her stop sign?
A blade saw.
Let's see. Show the close up to the camera. Awesome. So that way Miss Fritter can slice the cars in half in the derby, right?
Yeah.
All right. Show us what happens at a derby.
Well, all the cars. That's what happens.
All right. Well, thank you guys for joining us and seeing our cars. We'll let you know if we get any new cars.
Okay, bye.